decided to try catch a pike or a bigger perch with my modular kayak. As you see, it's perfectly fits in my trunk. So I managed to take all my fishing gear at once in the back of my trunk. So it's very convenient for those who don't want to put a kayak on your rooftop. So it's a really good option for those. Yeah, I found this beautiful spot. I think we will release kayak right here. It's a good spot. As you see, lake is really not a huge one, but in my opinion it's even better, because a couple of days ago I was in a different lake. It was 15 square kilometers, so with a kayak without any fish finder, it's a pain in the ass to fish in that place. So I think this lake will be more promising. So we prepared our gear and now we are ready to start exploring this new lake. I really like fishing from kayak. It makes things easier. I can maneuver and fish at once. You cannot do with a simple kayak with pedals or a simple boat. I'm really happy. I like that this lake has a clean bottom. You can jig on bottom because it has no grass. I think we will go to that side of the lake. There are a lot of high grass. Maybe somewhere is hiding a pike. I also took the second fishing rod. It's a lighter, from 1 to 7 grams. So perfect for perch. Pedal drive is very easy to use. You can adjust it by your needs. It has 7 different levels. I have attached a roach imitation. We will see. Local pikes will take it or not. Name me a better activity than this in your free time after a hard working week, sitting on a kayak like in a couch, not in front of your TV, in front of a real nature, trying to catch pike or a perch, breathing a fresh weather. I cannot think a better scenario to regenerate, to feel connection with nature, to forget all your problems you had in work during all this crazy week. As you probably know, I'm a project manager, so believe me, I'm having a lot of stressful moments when you need to connect your company's and clients' needs and you are in the middle. We are food processing equipment producers, so we engineer and manufacture it. So believe me, not everything goes as expected. During installation you have so much problems, so much questions. Usually client is not prepared. The only way I can regenerate is being in nature. Okay. Let's try to switch to this colorful guy. Maybe local pikes are more in wet. I've changed to that unnatural color. Maybe local pikes want something colorful, not natural. We will see. As I told, it's first time I'm fishing here. There is definitely a fish, I need to catch it. It can be, there is nothing out here. Despite I still had no luck in this lake, I really like it. I think I need more time to investigate all the places and get know better. Oh, we have a pike on a hook. Come here. Or it's a perch. First our pike. Yes. Okay. We will release it, don't worry. Okay, so it's time to release it. Goodbye, my friend. Yeah, so finally we catch up a pike. I hope that he will survive. He took bite very deep, but I think I managed to take it out quite good. So plan minimum is already achieved. We catched one pike. Of course, fishing is fuck. I had 2 bites. So let's go further to explore this lake. Okay. So let's make a couple throws here. I had a bite. I don't know, is it that I born in October or just autumn itself. It's my favorite period of a year. All the colors, brown, red, green. I don't know, it's some romantic here, but let's try to find a sign of a fish because it's so quiet. Okay, so we reached almost the end of our lake. You see those trees? I'm feeling a perch or a pike. Definitely here. Let's give a shot. So let's try pedal drive. As you see, we ran in this grass. I was told that this pedal system is much more efficient in this type of situation comparing to the normal simple pedal drive, because my pedals move sideways. Yeah, and we ran away from this grass. Nice. With standard pedal drive, I think we would have problems here. What a view! We're sitting in this grass in our kayak. Sun is shining. I feel the heat coming to me. It's, what can you expect more? Except the pike, of course. So, just look in the surroundings. Our shelter. Sun is warming us up. What can you expect more? I think we need to move further. Despite this is a very nice spot, but I see no fish activity, in the beginning of the lake. At least there was a fish movement, So I think we need to move further. It's absolutely amazing. All those trees, calm water, because we are surrounded by forests. I think it's my new favorite lake, and after a couple times I think I will find where all fish is sitting. So right now it's an exploration. Okay, so we came back to the initial place. As you see, kayak is already parked. I think now it's a very good time to make for ourselves a lunch. We will be making curd dumplings straight from which are official cookbook. So it's Eskel's dumplings. We will try those. I see a cozy place for us to stay. So without any further ado, first of all, I think let's start with a coffee. Okay, water is boiled, so we can put for ourselves a nice cup of coffee. Okay, so let's put a curd cheese. I think I will have all of it. Best is to use a fork. Let's add 2 eggs. Let's slice a garlic. So let's add slice of garlic into a bowl. Some flour, about 70 grams. Okay. After mixing, our dough should look like this. And meanwhile, we need to put some water to boil. And don't forget to enjoy surroundings. It's not all about fishing and cooking. It's about spending your free time in nature, enjoying surroundings, enjoying fishing as well, and enjoying your cooked meals, of course. Let's put slice of dumplings in boiling water. Okay. Meanwhile, we can prepare a bacon. So our dumplings are already boiled. Let's layer. It's time to put the bacon in a pan. Let's put some oil, not much. Black pepper, fresh salad. So here you have it. Eskil's core cheese dumplings from Witcher's official cookbook. So let's give it a try. It actually tastes good. I think garlic is very good in this recipe. It's yeah, and I never tried before core cheese with bacon. It's interesting, but it's really tasty. Very good. It's not very easy and very fast to make it. You need approximately, I don't know, from 20 to 25 minutes. So if you have to have a time to spend it on a nature and you love to cook, you will definitely need to try this Eskil dumpling recipe. So after tasty lunch, I've decided to end my fishing for today and head back home. If you are just like me and want to relax in the nature after a long week of work, don't forget to subscribe and press the like button. Thanks for watching and see you next time.